The top 5 prebiotic foods for gut health and weight loss. Did you know that the key to weight loss may be hidden in your gut microbiome? Learn how prebiotics can transform your gut health and aid in shedding those extra pounds. In this video, we'll dive into the world of prebiotics and uncover the top 5 prebiotic foods that can revolutionize your gut health and aid in weight loss. Prebiotics are simply the non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in our gut. We'll be discussing the properties of asparagus, garlic, onions, oats, and Jerusalem artichokes that make them the best prebiotic foods. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge of how to improve your gut health and easily incorporate prebiotics into your diet. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take control of your gut health and achieve your weight loss goals. Stick around to find out how. What is prebiotics? Prebiotics are often referred to as the miracle workers of the gut, but what exactly are they and how they differ from other types of dietary fibers? A prebiotic is a non-digestible carbohydrate that acts as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut, also known as probiotics. These good bacteria, in turn, promote a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut, known as the gut microbiome. This in turn has a wide range of benefits for our general health. While all prebiotics are fibers, not all fibers are prebiotics. This is because prebiotics must meet specific criteria to be classified as such. They must be resistant to digestion in the upper gastrointestinal tract and selectively stimulate the growth or activity of beneficial gut bacteria. This is where prebiotics differs from other types of dietary fibers. While all fibers have health benefits, such as promoting regular bowel movements, prebiotics has a unique ability to positively impact the gut microbiome. As a comparison, many people are already familiar with probiotics, which are live microorganisms that help support the balance of the gut microbiome when consumed in adequate amounts. However, prebiotics plays a complementary role to probiotics by giving them food to thrive. Unlike probiotics, don't contain any microorganisms and instead are a type of dietary fiber. Top 5 prebiotic foods for gut health and weight loss. Asparagus. Asparagus is a vegetable that is packed with a lot of health benefits, particularly when it comes to gut health. One of the key reasons asparagus is so beneficial for the gut is its high fiber content. But it's not just any ordinary fiber that makes asparagus a powerful prebiotic. It's a unique type of carbohydrate called inulin. Inulin is a type of soluble fiber that ferments in the large intestine and promotes the growth of good gut bacteria. Studies have shown that consuming asparagus on a regular basis can improve digestion, reduce constipation, and may even have a positive impact on weight loss. The inulin present in asparagus is also known to have a positive effect on the immune system, which is closely connected to gut health. It modulates the gut-associated lymphoid tissue by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria, which improves immune response to pathogens. But that's not all. Asparagus is also low in calories, making it again a great choice for those looking to lose weight. It's also a good source of vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining good health. Garlic. Did you know that garlic and onions were once used as currency in ancient civilizations? While that may not be entirely true, there's no denying the value of these two ingredients when it comes to supporting gut health. Both garlic and onions contain compounds called prebiotics, specifically fructooligosaccharides, FOS, and inulin, which are not digestible by the body but act as food for gut bacteria. These compounds help to promote the growth of healthy bacteria, which in turn can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Moreover, garlic and onions are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help safeguard against life-threatening illnesses such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Consequently, not only do they lend flavor to food, but also provide an effective protective shield from chronic diseases. It's worth mentioning that cooking garlic and onions can reduce the prebiotic content, but even if you are cooking them, they still have other health benefits due to the presence of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Oats. Oats are frequently seen as a simple breakfast food, but do you know that this hearty grain can be incredibly beneficial to both your gut health and weight loss goals? One of the key components in oats is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which plays a fundamental role in improving gut health and aiding in weight loss. Beta-glucan helps to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria and can also help to reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Oats are also a good source of protein and are low in calories, making them a great cereal to add to your diet if you are on a weight loss journey. Enhancing the benefits of oats even further, they are also full of antioxidants that help safeguard your body from diseases like heart disease and cancer. Eating oats as a breakfast meal is a great way to ensure a steady supply of energy and nourishment throughout the morning, and has been linked to increased satiety and reduced risk of obesity. Banana. Tired of the same breakfast routine? Bananas are a simple yet mighty fruit that can supercharge your gut health and help you lose weight. Unleash the potential of this tropical delight to give your mornings an invigorating lift. Bananas are a rich source of resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and instead ferments in the large intestine, where it acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria. This promotes the growth of healthy bacteria, which can improve digestion and boost the immune system. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them a great option for weight loss. Additionally, bananas are also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, such as potassium and vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining overall health. But perhaps the most exciting new research on bananas and weight loss is related to their serotonin content. Serotonin, a chemical in the brain that helps regulate mood, appetite, and digestion, is often low in individuals who are struggling with weight loss. And as it turns out, bananas are a great source of serotonin. Interestingly, most of the serotonin, 95%, is produced in the gut. The serotonin found in bananas works in the same way as it does in the brain, relaxing the gut and promoting feelings of fullness. However, it's important to note that the serotonin in bananas cannot cross the blood-brain barrier, which means that it can only affect the gut and not the brain. This makes bananas a unique and effective way to support weight loss and a healthy gut by relaxing the gut and promoting feelings of fullness. Jerusalem artichoke. Finally, we have Jerusalem artichoke. You may not be familiar with it, but the Jerusalem artichoke is a hidden gem when it comes to gut health. This unusual vegetable, also known as sunchoke, is packed with a type of soluble fiber called inulin. Inulin is a fantastic prebiotic that provides the perfect sustenance for beneficial bacteria in your gut. In turn, this can have profoundly positive implications on your overall health, such as improved digestion and immunity, and even possibly aid you with losing weight. They are also a good source of potassium and iron, and a good source of antioxidants which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. They are also low in calories, making them a great reach for weight loss. Jerusalem artichoke can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or pickled. It has a unique, sweet, nutty flavor that can complement a variety of dishes. Conclusion. We've covered the top 5 prebiotic foods that can help improve gut health and aid in weight loss, but now it's time to put them into action. I challenge you to pick at least one food from this list and incorporate it into your diet for the next 30 days. Take note of any changes in your digestion, energy levels, and overall well-being, and let me know in the comments section or message me about your experience. And if you're looking for even more ways to support your gut health, make sure to turn on the notification bell to stay informed of my upcoming follow-up video where I'll discuss more prebiotic foods that can be added to your diet. Remember, diversity is key when it comes to gut health. So let's work together to improve our gut health one prebiotic food at a time. So don't hesitate, hit the subscribe button and follow my channel for more informative and fun videos on healthy and gut-friendly food.